Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace side view mirror on Honda Odyssey. This one guys, we work on many models, many years. We're demonstrating on 2007, but I think from 05 to 2010 is the same procedure. Earlier and later models might cover the same deal as well, so stay with us and let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, so we're using a trim removal tool like that. We have the links on our website, Mechanic Lifestyle, for all the tools we use guys if you need to get them. Okay, right there, we just need to pop that cap open. There is two clips on it. Okay, let me show you. One here and one there. So once you remove this one guys, we have the wiring here now. We need to take care of that stuff. So right here, if you press in, okay, you can disconnect the wire like that. Pretty simple. So now there is a few nuts that we will need to remove with 8mm socket. As you can see, one here, one over there, and there is one on the side that's a little bit hidden. Okay, so we will remove those. And after you remove the second one, make sure you have a person holding the mirror, or you hold it with one hand so it doesn't drop. Okay, like that. So now we'll need to pull it to the outside, but right here you need to squish those in a little bit. Okay, let me come on this side. And you'll be able guys to pull the mirror out. You can see how simple it is. Also, you can disconnect it from here later, the 3 screws, if you need to replace this part only. So that will be guys the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.